Hi students, now in this video we are learning vocabulary. Okay, now I will read a question for you. The same word can have more than one meaning. The following words are taken from the lesson. See, some of the words are there we have in our day-to-day life. Those words they have double meaning, okay, more than one meaning. So, use each of them in a sentence of your own. These are the words they have given, and we have to make sentences of this given word in a sense other than what it has in the story. Okay, these words are used in the story. We don't have to take the sentences from the story, we have to make our own sentences. Now, the letter, okay, word letter is there. Now, I have make one sentence for the letter. Priya wrote her name in a capital letters. Okay, Priya wrote her name in capital letter. This is our first sentence. Okay. Second, close. Please close the door. That is our second sentence. Now, third word is states. There are 29 states in India. This is our third sentence. Class. He is a man of high class. For class, we have make the sentence is he is a man of high class. Now, tablet. The doctor prescribed two tablets to grandfather. Tablet is the doctor prescribed two tablets to grandfather. These are the five sentences we have made for five different words. Now we will go to the pronunciation. Okay. Read these sentences from the lesson. Pay attention to the highlighted word. Now here are the some sentences are given, and we have to give attention on the highlighted words. All its letters say is that he is sending you a new blanket in which he has wrapped present for you. In the word wrapped, the letter W is silent. See, here at the beginning only they have told we have to pay attention on the highlighted word. In this sentence, wrapped is highlighted word. When we pronounce word wrapped, we don't pronounce W. It is silent in this word. They are telling exactly here. Now, read the following words in the same manner. Remember to keep W silent in all. Now, the words are given here, and in this all the word, the W is silent. Here, if you see, the first word is WRECK, wreck. We don't pronounce W is silent. Silent. WRONG, wrong. Okay, only we say RONG, wrong, but W is there. W is silent here, wrong. Uh, wrestler, wrestler, wrestle. Okay, this is the wrestle word is there. W is silent. Right, rich, wrinkle, answer, sword. In this all word W is silent. Find out 6 more words in which W is silent. Write them in the table given below. This is the table is given here. See. Straw. Okay. Here W is silent. Prawn. W is silent. Prawn. Okay. Draw. Crawl. brown. These are the words you can write in your textbook. Now here is another one is listening and speaking. Do you think the teacher was really learn? Yes, I think so. Or no, I don't think so. This listening and speaking you have to do in the pair. I'll read it for you again. Do you think the teacher was really learn? Yes, I think so. Or second is no, I don't think so. Okay. Work with your partner, ask each other opinion and agree or disagree on the following. See, this conversation you have to make with your partner. Some are the sentences they have given it for you to say. Ask your partner if this story is interesting. Okay, ask your partner whether he she knows of any other trickster. Ask your partner if he she will become a doctor when he she grows up. Ask your partner if people should be kind to others. Okay, these are the four sentences that you have to make sentences on it. Now, language and grammar, negative and assertive sentences. Read the following sentences. The teacher was not learned. The villagers were not clever. These are the sentences they have told us to read. In these sentences, some fact has been denied. A sentences which tell us something is not so. It's called a negative sentences, else the sentence is called an assertive sentence. This negative means assertive sentence and they have given the definition of negative sentence. What is the negative sentence? A sentence which tells something is not so is called. It's called the negative sentence. We will see some negative sentences here. Okay. Change these sentences from assertive to negative. These sentences are their assertive to negative. We have to write. We have to change these sentences. And one is done for us. Meena went to Kolkata. This is assertive sentence. We have to make it negative. Meena did not go to Kolkata. Okay. Like that, all the sentences we have to write. Okay. They won the match. They did not win the match. The boys sang melodiously. The boys did not sing melodiously. Okay. The policeman ran after the thief. The policeman did not run after the thief. I saw the movie. I did not see the movie. She seemed very interested. She did not seem very interested. These are the sentences. We will go on the next page. Now, our seventh sentence is he heard the bell ring. He did not hear the bell ring. Okay. 8. We played basketball yesterday. We did not hear. He should not there. We should hear. We did not play basketball yesterday. She lived in Mumbai. She did not live in Mumbai. We sang at the function. We did not sing in the function. These are the sentences we have finished. Now we will go to the writing. I will explain it for you. This writing you have to write it your own. Imagine you are a villager who witnessed the whole story the whole story of the trickster and the country woman. You wish to send the story to a newspaper. See, we have learned the lesson, and you are the witness for whole story, for the trickster and the countrywoman. So you have to send this story to a newspaper. For this, you have to write a report of the event, and we have to write the report. Keep the following points in mind while you write the report. And when we are writing the report, we have to keep this mind in keep these points in our mind. We have to include date, time, place, and where the event has take place. uh, we have to think about suitable title. We have to describe event in the simple sentences. We have to answer the following questions here: who were involved, what happened, how did it happen. Present your ideas and information. Conclude by giving a hint of what may occur in the future. Write your name. These are the things we have to write. Okay. Use the guideline given above to write newspaper report about the trickster teacher and the country woman. These are the things, and the grammar part of this lesson we have finished here. You have to write it in your notebook, the part which we have done today for the this section, this online section, and you have to complete these are the sentences in your notebook, the part which we have taken today. Okay, this all you have to write it in your notebook. Thank you.